Hey guys, me and Natasha here. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe. Do you mind? If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you're not new, welcome back to my page. Thank you for tuning in. This cat, girl, you just want to disturb me today, huh? Children. Anyways. So today I'm coming to you proudly barefaced, no makeup, not a lick of makeup on. Ma'am, this is not about you right now. This is about me. Anyways, like I was saying, I'm coming to you proudly barefaced because a few months ago, I would have never shown my bare face. Like a good 3 months ago, baby, I would have been in complete hiding, face full of makeup, but I proudly come and sit before you today with a clear face and a bare face. Now, let me tell you why this is such a big deal for me, because you're like, girl, this is what you look like. This is how God made you. What do you mean you're coming to us with a bare face? Like, we've seen you before. Y'all have seen me before. I'm bare all over the place. I'm bare on my Instagram. I post bare face hair videos. I be bare. So this is not nothing new. But for me, for the past few months, this is new because I have been going through just the craziest. Okay, not the craziest. Okay, actually, no, the craziest. I've been getting the craziest acne I've ever had in my life. And it's just really surprising to me because all my life, I've had great skin. I've had... And there goes my dog. My dog has heart failure, you guys. So he has this like cough situation. That's what y'all are hearing right now. So between the cat and the dog, I can't win when it comes to filming. But anyways, like I was saying, I've been going through the craziest acne I've ever had. And it started in... When did it start? Did it start? In September it started. So in September I got the craziest pimple I've ever had in my life. You guys, it literally was the size of like a dime. Like, it was huge. And I still have a bit of a scar from it, which is right here, which I've been using so many different like fade creams and vitamin C serums and all type of things to like try and get rid of these dark spots. So starting in September is when the acne flared up and I started getting blind pimples. So I wasn't getting like zits. I wasn't getting zits that came to a head. I was getting blind pimples, which are the ones that come under the surface of your skin and they don't come to a head. They're just like lumps, like big lumps under your skin, which I kind of have one now. But anyways, I get blind pimples. I don't get like regular zits that come to a head. You can pop them. These are not poppable pimples that I'm getting. And so when they do subside, they leave a giant dark mark on my face. And it's super annoying because, you know, I want to have clear skin. I'm used to having clear skin. I'm not someone who ever dealt with acne issues growing up. Like, for the most part, my skin was clear as day. Which is why I was so comfortable posting my bare face all over the internet. Posting my bare face in my YouTube videos. Like, it's nothing. This is what I love what I look like. I love what I look like. But when my skin is acting up and I get dark spots and marks all over my face, I don't feel like I look like myself. Which is crazy to say because a pimple's not going to alter your face that much to where you don't look like you. You know what I'm saying? And so I just got really dark marks all over my face and I didn't feel confident. I didn't want to be seen. I didn't even want to go out in public. Like, even going to the gym, I would put like just dots of like foundation or BB cream on my face just so that people wouldn't see the breakout that I was having. And so that is why I'm so proud to come to you guys today with a bare face, because I have been really in my skincare bag and I've been super consistent with trying to get my skin back to where it was. I've had to learn a lot because when you go from having basically perfect skin all your life to then struggling with like adult acne, if you even want to call that, it's just acne. Like, you have to learn like how to take care of your skin now and how to do all the steps and buying all the products, and like that's another bill added on to you, is buying skincare and making sure that the skincare is actually effective skincare. A lot of trial and error. I mean, just like when you're picking out hair products and you have to figure out what works for your hair and doing trial and error with hair products, you also have to do that with skincare as well. Natural hair products can be pretty expensive, but skincare that is a bill. Okay, skincare be taking all my coins, but it's so worth it because it boosts my confidence. I feel better knowing that I'm actually taking care and able to manage my skin with products that I found have worked for me. So yes, so not only are the blind pimples a problem, but also the dark marks. I feel like the dark marks are worse than the pimples. Like the pimples be gone in like a week. The dark marks last for months. Like I said, this pimple was September. It's February. So trying to fade these dark marks has been just my life's mission for the past few months. And I have done a pretty good job, although my forehead still like it's a little spotty. My cheek area is mostly good. Like this part of my face is I'm content. Over here we're still working on here, still using some retinol cream to, you know, get those to fade a little bit more. I'm still getting a little bit of acne bumps on my forehead, and on my chin which is so strange, my chin recently has been getting blind pimples, which I thought was a thing of the past, but clearly it's not, because the blind pimples are like resurfacing, which the part of the tongue is real, so the blind pimples are not resurfacing. But yeah, I'm just trying to manage it, and I'm just happy that I can come back on camera feeling as confident as I do with a bare face. So the products that I've been using Urban Skin RX, which is made, I don't know if it's made, made for all skin types, but it caters to melanated skin. And so I've been using their Even Tone cleansing bar, and I'll put pictures of everything up here. I've been using their Super Glow serum. I've also been using the retinol rapid repair dark spot treatment, and I've also been using the sunscreen. And so all those products come in a kit, and that kit has been life changing and life saving for me. Like, talk about instant results. There's times where I'll do the nighttime routine, which is the cleansing bar, the serum, and the rapid repair dark spot treatment, and I'll go to sleep and wake up and my dark marks will have significantly faded. So that's really been working for me. I actually had a crazy breakout back in 2019. Like, for me, acne comes in stages. It comes in like eras, not eras, but like seasons. It comes in seasons. And so 2019 was the acne season for me, where I got these crazy pimples on my forehead. Again, the blind pimples, that's the only pimples that like really attack me. I don't know if it's hormonal or what is going on, or if it's stress related. I have no idea. But yeah, 2019 I used Urban Skin as well, and it completely cleared my forehead. When I tell you my forehead was looking crazy, I'll post pictures. Also in these pictures you will see that I fell on my face, and so please just excuse the crazy blemish. But what I really want to show you guys is the dark marks that I had in my forehead and how Urban Skin cleared those for me in 2019. So now it's 2024. I'm facing, or 2023, 2024, I'm facing skin issues again. And so now I'm back on my Urban Skin wave. Now, when I was off the Urban Skin wave and my skin was basically clear all the time, all I used was the Even Tone cleansing bar. But now I've had to step it up and start using the other Urban Skin products to complement the Even Tone cleansing bar, and that's what's really been working for me. So I know that the Super Glow serum also targets dark marks and hyperpigmentation, and the retinol rapid repair dark spot treatment is like, she is the truth. Like, that's that girl. And so at first, you know, retinol's really kind of strong, so if your face is not used to it, it's gonna peel. And like for me, my face was peeling like crazy the first 2 weeks, but I didn't mind the peeling because I felt like if my face was peeling, maybe it's peeling away layers of my skin, which is, you know, peeling away layers of the dark marks and lightening the dark marks. So I didn't mind the peeling. It was just annoying when I was wearing makeup, like, because you could see my face peeling under my makeup and it looked like, but we're out of that stage. My face has adjusted to the retinol and it's working pretty well. And I will say that it has significantly cleared my face. Although I'm still trying to, like, my skin, I would say, is pretty much more under control than it was a few months ago. When I tell you I had blind pimple after blind pimple, like one would leave, one would come. One would leave, one would come. Now I generally just get like small bumps in my forehead area. and or just like small tiny bumps here and there, and that's just so much better to me. Like, I'm still trying to figure out how to manage and maintain those so where I don't get any acne at all. So it is a work in progress. I drink a lot of water, so I know it's not my water intake. I just wanted to share that experience, and I don't want to ever present like a picture that I'm perfect or that I don't struggle with like skin issues or that my skin's always clear all the time, because it's not. I'm hoping that this season does pass soon though, because I want to have clear skin. Like, we all have skin goals, and so I've been trying not to stress myself out as much. Like, I know I have a lot on my plate. Like, if you watch my last 2 videos, I have a lot on my plate, but I'm trying not to let anything stress me out too much. I generally live a stress-free life, and I want to keep it that way. So I don't know if it's stress either. I don't know if it's hormones. I don't know what causes the pimples, but I do know that Urban Skin has been able to help me manage and bring my face back to like a place where I actually want to look at myself in the mirror. Like, literally over the past few months, I haven't even wanted to look in the mirror, you guys. Like, and I'm gonna post just examples all through this video, just showing you like what I saw and what I didn't like. But yeah, I'm so happy with how my face looks today. I just wanted to come on and show you guys. If you have any skincare recommendations, definitely drop them in the comments. There's actually a brand that I discovered called Face Reality, and I heard that their products are like incredible for people who suffer from acne. So I'm going to definitely tap in. I do have some skincare routines on my page if you guys want to check those out. Also, comment like if you get acne in seasons the way I do, because the last time I had acne the way that I have it now was in 2019, and I could literally do anything to my face. Like 2020, 2021, 2022, I could do anything to my face, put on any type of makeup, my skin would be fine. Fall 2023, I don't know what switched in my body chemistry, but my face just lost its mind. And so yeah, I've just been really not deeply insecure, but like just not feeling myself, or just not being satisfied with what I've seen in the mirror, and it just feels good to be where I am today. So when I do make my videos, I'm making them to like build community, and I really want to hear from you guys. I want to hear about your experiences. I want to hear about what worked for you. I want to hear about like what you've been through, what your skin issues are. Do you get acne in seasons? Do you have acne year round? What are breakouts like for you, and how do you manage them and maintain them? I am generally just a really confident person, and so it just honestly sucks. It just sucks when you don't feel your best. You don't feel like you look your best. Always having to feel like you have to hide, or like if I show my bare face to a man, like is he gonna still think I'm beautiful when I wash all this makeup off? Like, you know, and like no one should live in fear like that. I actually started experimenting with my skin a lot because I was getting these free beauty treatments, you know, being a beauty influencer. Like, I was on the Atlanta beauty tour, and I would get free facials from different places. I was getting microneedling. I was getting all these expensive skin treatments for free, and I think once I stopped, my skin sort of did like a rebound thing, and I started getting like crazy acne. I feel like once you start doing too much and your skin adjusts to that, and then you stop doing all the extraness, your skin is like, oh no baby, we want the $200 microneedling, and we want the hydrofacials, and we want the expensive $200 skin cream. You can't go back to the face wash and the moisturizer, because now you've leveled it up. So now I'm trying to bring it back down to where I just have a simple skincare routine. I don't want to be on Urban Skin forever on it. I don't want to be using Urban Skin forever. I do want to eventually be able to go back to my skincare routine, which was just using the Even Tone cleansing bar and using a moisturizer and a sunscreen. That was what my skincare routine was. Now I've had to implement about 2, 3, 4 different new products. Okay? So yeah, I hope this video inspires you to just keep going on your skincare journey. I know any journey is not linear, just like a hair care journey. They go up and down, all around. But yeah, I'm going to do another skincare update when I have found the magic touch, or like when this season is over, because it seems like it comes in seasons and then it goes, and my skin's back to being like flawless. Alright, so I'll definitely update you guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I can't wait to hear about your skincare journey. Bye.